Optimize your thumbnail image, transcripts of your videos, content that educates, piggyback of viral trends, use guest YouTubers, create content that imitates, use cars, create in screens, promote a market your video, use autoplay for your embedded videos, playlist within your niche community, increase your videos SEO, post link to your social media profiles, find niche communities, reach out to employers, embedded video subscription plugins. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe.